Look how fast I'm getting with my blow dryer. I'm like a professional.
How long have you been doing that?
I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, but I'm flying through those sections. Did you see me?
You're moving way too fast. That's why it's taking so long.
No, you're not getting it. Fast equals fast. That's how speed works.
Every time you rewrap the hair around your brush, you're just adding more time.
Wait, so the rewrapping is costing me time?
Right, because the dryer's not on your hair while you're messing with the brush.
So I've been speed running in circles like a hamster?